Welcome to Tami's Maths. It is NCERT 11th standard exercise 8.2 problem 1 to 5 we are going to discuss today. It's the geometric progression problems. Problem 1. Find the 20th and the nth term of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. Now if I have a GP, this is a general GP, AR square, this will be the general GP. In this T20 will be A R power 19. Here A is 5 by 2 and R is 5 by 2. So we will have this as R is half. So R is half. So 5 by 2 into half power 19, that is 5 by 2 power 20. I repeat. Find the 20th and the nth term of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. If I have a GP AR square and so on, T20 will be AR power 19. Here A is 5 by 2 and R is half. So it is AR power n minus 1. 5 by 2 into half power 19. That is 5 by 2 power 20. That will be your 20th term. Next we go for Tn. Tn will be A R power n minus 1. A is here 5 by 2. R is here half power n minus 1. This is 5 by 2. 1 by 2 power n minus 1. That is 5 by 2 power n. So the nth term will be 5 by 2 power n. This is regarding problem 1. Now we go for problem 2. Let's go for problem 2. Find the 12th term of a GP. We should find the 12th term, whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. He has given you the 8th term and has given you the common ratio, and you should find the 12th term. 8th term, AR, problem 2, this is AR square and so on. So we have 8th term is 192. T8 is 192. R is here 2. T8 is equal to A R power 7. R is here 2. So A 2 power 7 is 192. So A is equal to 192 by 2 power 7. 192, that is A. So we can keep A now. A is equal to 192 by 2 power 7. This is A. Now he is asking you the 12th term. He is asking you the 12th term. So T12 will be A R power 11. What is A? This is A. 192 by 2 power 7 into, what is R? R is here 2. So that will be 2 power 11. So this will be 192. This will be 2 power 11 minus 7. That will be 4. You can leave it like that or you can multiply. Okay. This is regarding problem number 2. Next we go for problem number 3. The 5th, 8th and the 11th term of a GP are P, Q and S respectively. Show Q square is equal to PS. Problem 3. The 5th, the 8th and the 11th terms of a GP. 5th. So let it be AR square and so on. The 5th term is P. So what is the fifth term? A r power 4, that is P. What is the eighth term? Q. A r power 7 is equal to Q. The 11th term is S. What's the 11th term? Call this 1, call this 2, call this 3, just for your convenience. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 will be this by this. Here you will have 2 by 1. 2 by 1 will be r cube. A r power 7 by A r power 4. A and A will get cancelled, r power 3. That will be Q by P. Next, r cube is that. Next we go for 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2. A r power 11 by A r power 7, that will be r cube. That will be S by Q. Now both are equal. This is r cube and this is also r cube. So both are equal. So let us equate them. Let us equate them. Q by P is equal to S by Q. So Q square is equal to PS. Okay? Q square will be equal to PS. This is regarding problem 3. Problem 4. The fourth term of a GP is square of its second term and first term is minus 3. Find the seventh term. The fourth term of a GP is square of its second term and the first term is minus 3. Find the seventh term. Fourth question. Fourth term. Fourth term will be AR cube is equal to square of its second term. What is the second term? AR whole square. The fourth term is square of its second term and the first term is minus 3. So A is minus 3. So R will be minus 3. What is he asking you? Find the seventh term. What's the seventh term? T7. A R power 6. What is A here? A is here minus 3. And what is R here? R is also minus 3. So this will be equal to minus 3 whole power 6 and minus 3. That will be minus 3 power 7. Okay? That will be your question number 4. Question number 4 will be that. If you want, you can expand this and write the value of that. What will be minus 3 power 7? 3 into 3 into 3 7 times. You can multiply that and you can write it. Okay? So this is regarding problem number 4. Now problem number 5, there are 3 subdivisions in that. We will go for that. Problem number 5. Problem number 5, subdivision 1. Which term is 128? 128 in the series 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on. Fifth one, subdivision A. 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on. Which term in this series is 128? That means you have to tell it's a fifth term, it's a fourth term, it's a seventh term. Something like that should be your answer. So let us say Tn is 128. What is Tn? A r power n minus 1. What is A? 2. What is r? Root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 128. So root 2 whole power n minus 1 is 64. Root 2 whole power n minus 1 is 6 to the power of 64, which is 2 to the power of 6. That will be now. That will be now root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 2 could be written as root 2 whole square power 6. That is root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to root 2 power 12. The base is same. Therefore, you can equate the index. What will be the index? The index is n minus 1 and 12 here. So n minus 1 is 12, n is 13. So 128 will be the 13th term in the series. 13th term is 128. 13th term will be 128. Next we go for subdivision 2 in this. That is subdivision B. Which term is 729 in? Which term is 729 in the series? Root 3, 3, 3 root 3 and so on. In this series, I want to tell which will be the term 729. Okay? This will be. Let Tn be 729. Tn is equal to A into R. R is root 3 power n minus 1. How do you get R? Second term by first term or third term by second term and so on. This is equal to 729. This will be root 3 whole power n is equal to 729. Now 729, I have to raise it as 3 power something. Let's see. 729 by 8, 81. Sorry, by 9. By 9 again, another 9. So 729 is 9 cube. 9 is 3 power 2 whole power 3. But root 3 whole power n, this could be written as 3 power 6. But 3 could be written as root 3 whole power 2. So this could be written as root 3 whole power n is equal to root 3 whole power 12. So n will be 12. It will be the 12th term. Subdivision C. Which term is 1 by 19683 in the series 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on. Please understand, I have to write 19683 as 3 power something. Okay? How will you do that? All of you know that, but still. 19683. This is subdivision C. Divide by 3. What do you get here? 18. 6. 116. 15 it will be 5. And then 6 and then 1. Divide by 3 again. 2. and then you will have it 1. 26, 8, and then 7. Divide by 3 again. This will be 7, this will be 2, and this will be 9. Divide by 3 again. This will be 2, and this will be 4, and this will be 3. Divide by 3 again. This will be 8, and this will be 1. Divide by 3 again. What you will get? Here you will have 2 and then 7. Divide by 3 again, 9. Divide by 3 again, 3. How many 3's you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 3's. So it will go like that. This number will be 1 by 3 power 9. 3 means first term, 3 square means second term, 3 cube means third term. So 3 power 9, which is this number, will be the 9th term. So subdivision 5, section C, problem 5, subdivision C, it will be the 9th term. So this is question 1 to 5 in exercise 8.2. In our next video, we'll have from 6 to 10. Okay, best wishes.